In today's video, I'll teach you how to check gift card balance on Golden Corral. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in goldencorral.com/gift cards. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll directly be led to the gift cards interface of Golden Corral. You'll be able to buy the gift card from here. Also, you'll be able to check the balance of your gift card. What you have to do is simply click on this option, check balance, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to another interface. Due to some reason, the access is being denied in mine. But in another interface, you'll have to enter the gift card number and 4-digit PIN. The 4-digit PIN and gift card number will be in your gift card itself. So simply enter the gift card number and 4-digit PIN. After you do that, you'll be able to check the balance for yourself. So like this, you'll be able to check the gift card balance. So that is how you check Golden Corral gift card balance. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.